Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic WPS Office document, how to alphabetize. As example, I will create a word in here. You can type mango, apple, and then watermelon, melon, and the next fruit. Now, you can sort this word, and then you can click this icon, sort. Next, you can set into by paragraph and then type text. Use ascending to set from A or back you can descending. So I will set to ascending. You can click OK again. So to be automatically alphabetize the selected word. I will select again and then I will use descending. Click OK. Maybe change the alphabetics. Okay, that's it for basic WPS Office document. How to alphabetize words. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.